welcome to JSM. In this video, I am going to explain lanthanide contraction. So let us see what is lanthanide contraction. So what are its consequences? Okay. So for example, here I am taking 3D series elements, 3D series we know, and 4D series elements and 5D series elements. So I am taking some elements from the 3D series: scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium. From the 4D series: yttrium, zirconium, niobium, and molybdenum. From the 5D series: lanthanum, osmium, tantalum, and tungsten. So these are the elements from 3D, 4D, and 5D series elements. So as we know that atomic radius increases from top to bottom in a group, so based on this we can say from 3D series to 4D series atomic radius increases, 4D series to 5D series, okay, atomic radius increases. What we are expecting here, the expected order is 3D series elements are lesser in size than 4D series elements, and 4D series elements are lesser in size than 5D series elements. But actually what will happen here? So actually what happening here? Okay, from 3D to 4D, atomic radius increases as we expected. Okay, from 3D to 4D, atomic radius increases as we expected, but 4D to 5D series element they shows nearly similar size. Okay, nearly similar size except this yttrium and lanthanum. So in this group, scandium is lesser in size as expected from top to bottom in a group. Scandium lesser in size, then yttrium, then lanthanum. So this is the correct order only. There is no exception condition. So but when come to these elements, tantalum to zirconium atomic size increases. From zirconium to osmium, they shows nearly similar size. From vanadium to niobium, atomic radius increases. Then niobium to tantalum, they shows nearly similar size. From chromium to molybdenum, atomic radius increases as expected. From molybdenum to tungsten, they shows nearly similar size. So what is the reason behind this? So what happening here? So that is very important. That only explains the lanthanide contraction. So when you see the lanthanide atomic number, that is 57, osmium is 72. So 57 to 72. So what about the remaining elements? So here some elements are there from 58 to 71 atomic number. So these are present in 4F series that belongs to, okay, F block, that belongs to F block. Okay, so let us take here. So what are the elements are present in F block? They are from the 4F series. From the 4F series, I am taking here. Okay, cerium to lutetium. Cerium to lutetium. Cerium atomic number is 58 and lutetium atomic number is 17. From cerium to lutetium, totally 14 elements are present. How many elements total? 14 elements are present. Okay, so from cerium to lutetium, atomic radius so decreases as we expected. So but here the decrease is very more. So decreases, but more decrease is there. Okay, from cerium to lutetium, atomic radius decrease is there, but more decrease is there. That is due to the lanthanide contraction. So now see what is lanthanide contraction. So before that, what is the general electronic configuration of these 4F series elements? That is 4F 1 to 14 and 5D 0 to 1 and 6S2. Okay, this is the general electronic configuration of 4F series elements. That means here After filling of 6s orbital, after filling of outermost orbital, electron enters into the 4f orbital. So what will happen when 4f orbital means inner orbital filled with electrons? Okay, so let us take here. So I am taking here 6 orbits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 6 orbits. This is the first shell. This is the second shell. This is the third shell. This is the fourth shell. This is the fifth shell. This is the sixth shell. So after filling 6s2 orbital in the f block elements, then electron enters into the 4f orbital. So here 4f1 to 4f14. So when this 4f orbital filled with electrons, so what will happen? It should screens the nuclear attractions on outermost electron. Okay, when inner electrons in 4f orbital increases, it should stops the nuclear charge, nuclear attractions on the outermost shell. So but what will happen here? So due to the diffused shape of or eightfold shape of f orbital, it has poor shielding. F orbital, it has poor shielding or screening effect. Poor screening effect is there. So due to that poor screening effect, what will happen? So let us see here. So due to the poor shielding here, so due to the poor shielding of this 4f orbital, so it does not screens these nuclear attractions on the outermost electron. That means nuclear attractions on outermost electron, what will happen? Increases. So because of that reason, so increased nuclear charge attract that outermost electron, this outermost electron towards the nucleus very strongly. When nucleus attract this outermost electron towards it, automatically what will happen? Atomic radius decreases. Okay, more decrease is present here. What is the reason why more decrease is present here? Due to the poor shielding of f orbitals. Why poor shielding is present? Because of diffused shape. Because of diffused shape, f orbital shows poor shielding or screening effect. Then because of that, from cerium to lutetium, atomic radius or atomic size decreases more and more. So due to that decrease, the decrease is effect on the atomic radius of osmium, tantalum and tungsten and the remaining elements which are present in the 5D series. So because of the decrease in atomic radius, okay, osmium shows nearly similar size to zirconium and tantalum shows nearly similar size to niobium and tungsten shows nearly similar size to molybdenum. Okay, so what is the reason? Here the 5D series element shows nearly similar size to the 4D series elements. So that is because of lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction. So what is the reason to show this lanthanide contraction? So that is because of poor shielding of f orbital. So why f orbital showing poor shielding effect? Due to its diffused shape. It will not screens the nuclear attractions on the outermost electron. That's why this nucleus attracts that outermost electron towards it very strongly. Then atomic radius decreases. Okay, so finally we can say what is lanthanide contraction means. The decrease in atomic size. The decrease in atomic size due to the poor shielding of f orbital is known as lanthanide contraction. Okay, let us see consequences of lanthanide contraction. Okay. So let us see the consequences of lanthanide contraction. The first consequences is 4D and 5D series elements shows nearly atomic size. Okay, they shows nearly atomic size, same atomic size. So due to this lanthanide contraction. So let us see for example, zirconium and osmium shows nearly similar size. Next, niobium and tantalum shows nearly similar size. Molybdenum and tungsten, so these also shows nearly similar size, because these are show similar size due to the lanthanide contraction only. Then second consequence is basic nature of these metal hydroxides, okay, decreases due to increase in the covalent character. So as we know, so as the size of the atom increases, covalent nature increases because polarizing power increases. So this is based on the Poisson's rules. Okay, from cerium to lutetium, size decreases. The size decreases, size of the atom decreases. Polarizing power, what will happen? Increases. When the polarizing power of atom increases, then covalent nature also increases. Covalent nature also increases. Okay, here you see size of the atom or ion decreases, polarizing power of cation increases, then covalent nature increases. So when the covalent nature increases, so basic nature of these hydroxides, so which hydroxides here? Cerium hydroxide to, so lutetium hydroxide. So lutetium hydroxide, what will happen here? From here to here, basic nature decreases. Basic nature decreases. Okay, basic nature decreases. Then density increases. Why here density increases? Because from cerium to lutetium, size of the atom, what will happen? Decreases. When the size of the atom decreases, density increases. The size of the atom increases, atomic density, what will happen? Atomic density increases. When the atomic density increases, hardness also increases. Hardness also increases. When the atomic density increases, hardness also decreases. So why here atomic density increasing? Because of the size. Then separation of lanthanides not easy. Why here separation not easy? So because of this lanthanide contraction, they shows nearly similar size. Okay, the size difference is very less. So due to that reason, the separation of lanthanides is not easy. Okay, so these are the consequences of lanthanide contraction. Okay, thank you.